time now for Jeff's Car Culture, and it is going to be 1960s land yachts.
Yeah, the top 5 biggest American cars from the 60s, and here we go. The streets of America needed something new in the 1960s. As cities grew and highways stretched across the nation, drivers wanted more than basic transportation. Detroit answered with big, bold designs like Pontiac's wide track, the Galaxy's wraparound windshield. These designs reflected a national growing optimism in America. So here we go. The first one is a 1965 Oldsmobile 98. In the hierarchy of General Motors' prestige divisions, the 98 represented Oldsmobile's finest engineering achievements. The distinctive split grille design, paired with quad headlamps set in chrome bezels, established a premium presence. A total length, Don, of 222 inches created commanding proportions.
Yeah.
While restrained use of bright work reflected the division's engineering focus on reputation. The next one we have is a 1964 Buick Electra 225, deuce and a quarter, call it what you will, it's awesome. Named for its impressive length, the deuce and a quarter represented Buick's interpretation of premium motoring. Venti ports along the front fenders continued a Buick tradition dated from 1949. Check this out. The signature Dollar Grin grille featured 225 individual squares, demonstrated the division's attention to detail, hence that's where you get the 225. The Delta Wing tail lamps provided a distinctive nighttime signature that became instantly recognizable on American highways. Gorgeous. The next one we have is a 1966 Chrysler Imperial Crown. This is a nice vehicle. Competing directly against Cadillac, the Imperial established its own unique place in American luxury. Freestanding headlamps, a signature design element since 1961, created an instantaneously recognizable facade. The distinctive gun sight tail lamps, mounted 227 inches from the front bumper, served as a testament to the car's impressive scale. Engineering investments included torsion bar suspension, which at the time were praised for their superior handling. The number 2, here we go, Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. Cadillac's position as America's standard of luxury found its fullness expressed in the Fleetwood Brougham. The formal roofline, enhanced by a 130-inch wheelbase, that's a big one, established proper proportions for a prestigious vehicle.
I always used to call that the Broham.
Yeah, that's what I do too. Double clear coat paint finishes require extra production time, reflecting the division's emphasis on exterior quality. Minimal bright trim along the body size demonstrated a restraint in contemporary, and the critics praised it. The formal C-pillar design became an industry standard for luxury car profiles. And the number 1 is a 1968 Cadillac Series 75 limousine. As a pinnacle of General Motors' passenger car lineup, the Series 75 embodied the ultimate in luxury motoring. A wheelbase of 149.8 inches provided the foundation for proper limousine proportions. The formal roof design incorporated 3.5 inches of additional headroom for rear compartment passengers, which is good. Unique rear doors, longer than the standard Cadillacs. The facade gracefully enters and exits. So there you go.
Great. Well, that's big.
That's a big one. She's a big one.
Can't really understand what we were thinking back in the day when we decided to have those humongous cars.
Well, we were building roads back then, and they wanted to fill the roads up.
Well, apparently they did that quite well.
And it was like luxury, it was styling, it was
all the things that apparently America wanted.
Right.
All right, time now for this.